What's going on, guys? It's Make Money with Alex. This is my first video. I made over $150,000 making money online with filming, editing, having my own business, selling the digital product, learning about baseball pitching. Guys, like, I don't know it all, but I'm learning as I go. But I can definitely give you guys some knowledge on how to make money online. I think it's make money online or various other things, but how to get a job. I know how to teach about that. I mean, I just got my full-time job just now. But I can definitely give you some tips on that. This is my first video, so I'm trying to slow down my talking, as my boss says over at DBAT. But so yeah, guys. So let's get into it. So how do you get your first couple $1,000s a month online, or just in general? This is kind of what I recommend if I were starting out. So let's say you want to make money online. I definitely would start posting on TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is really, really hot right now. Like, you literally post any video starting with 0 followers, you can actually get in the program. You actually don't need 5,000 followers anymore. If you guys want to, I'm going to get more into that in some other videos, but with TikTok Shop, it's juicy. Like, anyone can make money off that shit. Like, it's crazy. I mean, it's not going to be making you 10, 20K a month, but like, sorry about that. I had a storage problem. Had to clear out some videos and photos. Literally have like 20,000 photos and also like 5,000 or 10,000 videos. It's insane. Anyways, back to the video. So yeah, guys, with TikTok Shop, if you just post like 3 or 4 videos a day, which is very feasible, you can literally what you can do if you don't have the product in hand. If you guys don't know what TikTok Shop is, by the way, it's literally when you're promoting other people's products, but it's integrated into TikTok. So you're pretty much literally making these videos about any trendy product, and then you can literally look up on the search tab, oh, TikTok Shop made me buy it, or TikTok made me buy it. And if you kind of stick to it, I think I saw this actually work better where if you actually stick to a niche that you kind of know about already, it just does a lot better. You know a lot more about it, and you can talk more about it. So yeah, so that's the one thing I would do, and I would just keep posting like 2-3 times a day, like spam it, and also link, of course, TikTok Shop. So with 0 followers, you can literally just link it. It'll take a couple more minutes, but like just a couple more minutes to make an extra couple $1,000s a month. So, and there's also a lot of videos online teaching you on how to get into that program with 0 followers. I know how to do it, but I'm not gonna go through all that in this video. I'm gonna teach you just in my video and teaching you guys how to make a couple grand a month. So, sorry, let's drink some water. My voice is kind of raspy, you know. Sorry. Anyways, so yeah, and that's one way to make money online, at least when you're starting out. And then another way, let's say you're not very tech savvy, you don't like making money online, you can actually, I'm thinking about this because I didn't actually I'm making my first money, online on TikTok and Instagram, YouTube. But if you guys are really like for example, my friends, they do construction and they do landscaping. If you guys want to just buy a pressure washer that's only like $400 or $500, just start knocking on doors and literally start just mowing lawns. Like, that would be a good way to start making some money, or just, start working as an employee somewhere at a restaurant. Just start making some bread, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's all a game, guys. It's all a game. Like, you need to be out there doing something, you know what I'm saying? Especially the younger you are, the better you are, the better you become later on, you know what I'm saying? You start making money at 14, 15, 16, like, you're setting yourself apart. That's when I started trying to make money, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm 22, about to buy my own house, and I'm me trying to flex here. I got a whole Range Rover, but that's not me flexing. It's me saying anything is possible if you start at a young age. You know what I'm saying? Because then you're ahead of the curve. If you start, let's say, at 23, 24, I'm not saying if you're 23, 24, 25, 26, or whatever, like, go ahead. Of course you got to make money, but I'm just saying the younger you are, the more advantage you have. Because let's say you're in college or high school or whatever, you actually, it's more time, you know what I'm saying? It's just more time, you know what I'm saying? So obviously easier said than done, but if you're, let's say, 28 and you have a full-time job already, it's gonna be tough having a side hustle. You're gonna have kids maybe, have a whole family, it's tough, you know what I'm saying? So it's just, it's a lot lower barrier to entry when you're younger, like 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, just to start a business, or even, especially the day age now, anyone can make money online, guys. Anyone can make money online. So if you guys just follow some tips like this, I'll be posting more videos daily. Subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. And I'll be posting videos daily on how to make more money with me and on side hustles I've done, or just anything on how to make money. You know what I'm saying? Or how to make money on my businesses. I'll be going more into detail on how I make my money. I'll giving you guys insider tips on how to make money as well. So yeah, guys, subscribe. Appreciate it.